Hi, I'm Chetna Makan, bringing you a delicious chocolate cake with a little gravity-defying twist. All we need is some butter and some caster sugar. Beat this for a couple of minutes. Some boiling water, in goes the coffee and then some buttermilk. Plain flour, some ground almonds, baking powder and bicarb of soda and some cocoa powder. And then just combine all the dry ingredients. Add in the eggs to the mixture. And now I've got 3 8-inch round cake tins and the mixture goes equally into the tins. And this goes in the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to prepare the chocolate buttercream, beating it for a couple of minutes. And now goes in the icing sugar and some milk and then the melted dark chocolate. And now we just assemble the cake. And this goes in the fridge to set. Now just a bit of ganache to cover the cake. And then finish the cake with little chocolate eggs. You can choose whichever ones you like. And here it is, the stunning chocolate centerpiece, which I'm sure everyone would love a slice of. So I hope you will enjoy it.